In this lesson, I will show you how to create a stair label and, being precise, the label of a run of stairs. I'm in the project. On the Annotate tab, I choose tag by category, and you can see that I can describe entire stairs or indicate the flight of those stairs using tab key. This is what the default label looks like in the American architectural template. We could edit this label, or starting from scratch, I would choose File, New Family Annotations, and I would select Generic Tag Template. I remove the information. I already know by heart what it contains, and I find the subcategory Stair Run Tag. Did you see that for the stair category we have also separate description for landing and supports, and for the whole stair, and run, which we will choose. Let's create label, and in a very simple way I will add number of steps, its height, and depth of the single step. At this point, all these objects are in one row. They only collapsed because simply this frame was too narrow. If I would expand it to the maximum, everything would be in one line, and if I would like to change it, I can move the depth of the step on the separate line, and between the number of stairs and the height we can add X with a space before it. And at this point this label is practically ready. I just save it on my computer and load it into the project. Let's check how it works in the project. We have this kind of description, and now I could manually rotate such a label. Since a certain version of Revit, such an option has been introduced, but I can also do it much easier by checking inside this family one option that is called Rotate with Component. I will override the existing version, and now during insertion you can see that label gets automatically rotated and it's at the same angle as the stair run. I can place it and move it freely using mouse button, and in the project it works before in the setting of the label orientation is set by default as a model. So this additional settings also plays roles in it. I could still add units for this description, go back to edit, and in the familiar way change the units so I see centimeters. In the unit settings we have the option to show or not the final 0. Now it is set to 1 decimal place, and it also shows that 0, but I can easily remove it by selecting this unit settings and activating suppress trailing zeros.